Most people out there don't really know Brazil, not the real one.
They imagine cliches like football, beaches, Rio, but they've never felt the energy that lives in every moment here. But how do you explain our rhythm, our warmth, our chaos, our beauty? You can't. They have to feel it. Instead of explaining, why not bring them here to live it?
That's what you can do. Bring the world to your country. Be a Brazilian host and let Brazil do the talking. More and more Brazilians are opening this door. Sharing our country, our stories, and our pride. And together with Parrot, it can be as smooth as it sounds.
And when travelers go back home, they don't just remember the places, they remember everything.
And it is unique to visit your country with you, your local friend, and the good moments you had together.
That's what we do here in Parrot Trips. We make it easy for you to bring your people to live something unforgettable in Brazil. You can be a Brazilian ambassador. Guide your friends to discover Brazil and change how they see it and how we see ourselves.
Cara, organiza a track, vem pro Brasil, faz essa merda, porra.